Hi there. Thanks for joining the show. And my name is Michael. Last name is Olatunde. And in this video, I'm gonna be giving a response to the 3 questions for the Code Platoon program application form. And without further ado, the first question: a time I learned something new was when I learned how to do an oil change on a car. It was pretty easy. Basically, a friend, convinced me to do it instead of paying all that money to somebody else. He basically, gave a rundown like, let's just get the oil, let's get the filter, we get the strap that takes out the filter, we drain the oil, we fill it, and that was it. And I approached the learning with a very clean slate mind. I went in, I was up for it, ready to learn a new skill, ready to save some money, and just overall, have fun with it. I'm always trying to absorb new information. And if I could do anything different, I would have probably maybe watched some YouTube videos, before doing that. Maybe be well prepared, read the manual from the actual car that talks about, the steps and what to do, instead of going by word of a friend and spending a whole hour instead of 20 minutes. And why am I interested in programming? Well, I am interested in programming because we live in the digital age where everything, basically almost everything now is digitized. It's through computer. So I found out there are many things that actually run through program. Like, for example, the traffic light, the tarmac at the airport, just so many things are just based off of programming. And I think it'll be a nice skill to just learn, to just know overall, because you have companies like Amazon and maybe even Walmart going into robotics, getting rid of manpower. So it would be nice to be able to design code, do web development and mobile applications, just for even creating my own business, or just helping my company to better understand the software or build better programs. And the last question, it says talk about something from the pre-programming logic questions. Don't actually remember the questions. Take one of the programming questions, but I'm just gonna share an experience of a programming project I kind of had to deal with. I've dealt with, and what was it? And the result, it was basically for an auto insurance company that I used to work for, and basically the company had about 15,000 members. Who had auto policies, but they only had about 200 actuaries, and the actuaries are the ones that review the policy for renewal. Basically, the job of my team was to create a computer model that would be able to predict if a policy should be renewed or if it actually needs a human intervention before the policy gets renewed. Because with 200 people, 15,000, there wasn't enough people. And sometimes policies don't just get automatically reviewed because driver might have a bad driving record, maybe they have an accident, maybe they have a ticket, maybe they haven't paid their premium. Stuff like that will cause a policy not to renew. But then when you only have 200 people, you can't review every single policy. So we basically we created a model that prioritized the factors that determined if a policy should get renewed or not. And it was basically like data science, programming is a new language. It's like a computer language. It's like a language. We just inputted the data. We use Python we created like a perfect model, like a perfect policy, what the perfect policy looks like. Premium paid on time, and no accident, no tickets. And the closer any policy is to that, it means automatic review. If not, it goes by binary 0 and 1. If not, it goes declined and human intervention. And there we go at 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch this video, and I hope to hear back from you soon. Bye now.